In this video, I am going to tell you that how to do demo trading on Bitget account. First of all, you have to log in your Bitget account, then go to trade option as you can see, and in futures, as you can see, there is a zero balance in my account. The Bitget account gives us a multiple features of demo trading. As you can see, there is a demo trading, there is also demo trading, and yes, there is also. Okay, I am going to select this. The Bitget account and also other softwares give us a fake amount for our demo trading. As you can see, there is available balance. I hope you like this video, and if you are interested in trading, then you can also subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.